Dear students, today I'm going to tell you about scholarships. So, first thing is there are a lot of scholarships that you need to look for and try to prepare your profile for those scholarships so that when you finish your degree, you are prepared and you're ready to apply for them. Because after the degree, you may not prepare well for those scholarships. It is during this degree that you can prepare. So, what are some of the scholarships? Number one is Fulbright scholarships. Everybody wants to win this Fulbright scholarships where you can do MPhil and PhD on this Fulbright scholarship. And that is one of the most prestigious and best scholarship where you can join top American universities through this scholarship. Second is Chevening scholarship. That is for MS only in UK. You can complete your MS in 1 year, and that's beautiful thing about this scholarship. And you can join very good universities, top ranking universities through this scholarship in the UK. German scholarship DAAD, DART scholarship, that is great. You can study in Germany, and Australian award. Australian award is only for MS. Then there is a scholarship Knight Hennessy, KNIGHT HENNESY scholarship. Knight Hennessy scholars, they go to Stanford University, and after BS you can study. MEXT, MEXT, MEXT scholarship is Japanese scholarship. That's also a great scholarship. You can also BS. You can also apply for BS, MS, and PhD. Oxford Pakistan program is to increase Pakistan's representation in Oxford, and that is also a very good initiative. You can benefit from it. Then Singapore scholarship, Hong Kong scholarship, Erasmus scholarship. That is a great scholarship. You should try. In addition to this, a Swedish Institute scholarship for global professionals, Zurich Excellence Scholarship, and similarly in France, French scholarship, Canadian government scholarship, and one more, Gates scholarship by Cambridge University. That's one of the best scholarships. And Chinese and Turkey government, they also offer scholarships, and Saudi government, they also offer scholarships for Pakistani students, so you can try these scholarships as well. These are, and there are many other scholarships. And if you don't get these scholarships, don't worry. You can apply directly to universities, and you can apply. So, what is the best approach? The best approach is number one, study hard, work hard, and prepare your profile and your degree so that you get 3+ CGPA and you are prepared. How? By working hard. Number two, create your specialized area of interest from linguistics or from literature, and then narrow it down to the research gap which exists, and you can fill that gap. Talk to your teachers, resource center professionals who are helping students. Similarly, attend seminars, conferences, present your papers, write 2 research articles, and ask questions, discuss with those people. Plus, take part in societies, debate society, music society, literary society, other societies, so that you build your profile, and do a little bit social work or sports or anything else, because you need to build your profile. And your profile is not just your academic performance. Yes, your academic performance should be good because these scholarships are competitive. But in addition to your academic scholarship, you need to do more than that, because in competition, they want to select the best candidates, and do writing. So, what you can do, publish 2 research articles and also publish on blog. Start a blog and start publishing on that. Medium is the best choice. You can also write on Substack, on WordPress, on Blogger. So any blog that you like, you can write on. I've seen some young students who are doing very well. And also create a LinkedIn profile and connect with your teachers, with your professors, and with other experts in your field that you have, the area that you have specialized. Don't connect with everyone, just connect with the right people, and keep on checking the universities, top universities that align with your future goals and their departments. They have online events, they have YouTube channels as well, they have Facebook pages as well. So connect with them, attend their events, online events, webinars, and ask questions, discuss with them. So in this, it'll be good for you. So stay humble, don't be proud, don't show any hubris, just and don't make noise. Work in silence, prepare your profile, build your personality, and benefit from university facilities during your MS or BS, because after you complete degrees and you are out of university, then you cannot go and join those societies. So this is the right time for you when you are studying at the universities, and prepare yourself for foreign scholarships so that you get those scholarships, then you can come back and serve in your country. So that will be good for you and will be good for the country as well. There are a lot of scholarships you can study. without spending even a single penny. Yes, you can do that. So best wishes for you. Now I will add the link to my blog post where you can find these scholarships. Just simply click the link, go to the scholarships, select two or three, and then prepare for them so that after you complete your degree, you are ready for them. Your profile is ready, your story is ready, your essays are ready, your research proposal is ready, and this way, I hope that you, if you're prepared, nobody can stop you. Good luck.